Alright folks, so I got this Thinkware Dash Cam, and there's a few things I don't like about it, but at any rate, one of the issues with it is the only way that this mounts to the windshield is with this little plate that they give you. And I had to order an extra one of these plates. It was like 15 bucks, which is expensive for a little piece of plastic with a glue pad on the back of it. But basically you mount this to the windshield, and then you can take this, put it up in here, slide it clicks on, and that's how you mount it. So I did some research and I couldn't find any way to mount this with a suction cup. And the reason I wanted to do that is because I travel, and sometimes I have a rental car, and once you attach the sticky thing to your windshield, you're not getting to get it off, or at least not easily, and then you have to use another one of these pads to put it back on. It's a pain in the butt. So what I wanted to be able to do was to get a suction cup that I could mount inside my my rental car, and then be able to clip this on top or onto the bottom and mount it. Now I ordered this dash cam mount kit. It comes with a bunch of different mounts. None of them work for Thinkware camera. This is a U1000 Thinkware. But there's this one here which is flat. Well, it's got these little prongs on it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these prongs off, which will leave me a flat surface, and then I can take my extra mount that I ordered, and I can take this adhesive backing off and put my flat piece on there. And so that way I can mount this to the windshield. My mount will be here underneath of it, and then I can take my camera and clip it on there, and so this will be what it looks like on the windshield. And then when I'm done with my rental car, I can just unclip this, take my mount with me, or take this with me, unclip my camera, and then be able, I had my camera upside down, and then be able to put my camera in my vehicle that has this mount normally attached to it. So again, that's what I'm trying to do. We're going to cut or grind these little tabs off here on this piece, and then glue this on top of it. Hopefully that'll hold. So alright, we got all four of those off. We just took a steak knife and sawed those off. Now if I'd had a belt sander or a Dremel tool readily available, that might have worked too, but it was just as quick to just grab this out of the kitchen drawer than it was to go out to the shop or anything. So now we're going to attach the sticky pad here. So I will tell you, getting the backing off of these sticky pads, I've not had good luck with this. I try to use the knife to get it started, and the adhesive is good, so it sticks to the sticky pad pretty good too. And I always seem to have much difficulty doing this. Get the point of it up underneath there. Maybe this will work. There we go. Got it started. Alright, since this is on a ball, it really doesn't matter which way I attach this. So we're just going to try to put this on here evenly. Alright, that seems to be stuck pretty good. So now all we got to do is mount this to the windshield, and hopefully this will work. So now that we got this mount on here, this will attach. Slide, click that in there, and now we can just put this on the, loosen up my little thing here to where this swivels, put this on the windshield, and point my camera. I should be good to go for using this in a rental car. Alright, so we got this mounted. All we got to do now is put it on the windshield, click it down, and we are ready to record in a rental car. So if you need to be able to do that with this Thinkware U1000, as far as I know, this is the only way to do it. I'll put the link below for this kit that you can use to mount it with the suction cup. Ta-da!